Terrified AI will replace you? Here's how to use it so it doesn't. Artificial intelligence, the future is now. Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword, it's reshaping everything from automated customer service to predictive analytics. Businesses that fail to adapt to AI-driven solutions risk being left behind in the digital revolution. AI is powering smarter decisions, streamlining workflows, and unlocking data insights that were previously out of reach. Whether you're in e-commerce, healthcare, or education, understanding the role of machine learning and neural networks is no longer optional, it's critical. Don't wait to get disrupted, get ahead of the curve. Explore how AI can transform your business today. Artificial intelligence, unlock your competitive edge. Imagine a world where intelligent automation handles routine tasks, giving you time to focus on innovation and growth. That's the reality artificial intelligence offers. From natural language processing to AI chatbots, smart technology is already enhancing customer experience, reducing operational costs, and increasing ROI. Whether you're a startup or an enterprise, the question isn't if you should use AI, but how fast you can implement it. Make smarter moves before your competitors do. Get your AI strategy guide now. Finance tips, simple shifts for massive money wins. Mastering your money doesn't require a finance degree. With the right financial planning tips, you can eliminate debt, boost your savings, and start building real wealth. Start with a budget that works, automate your savings, and invest early, even if it's just a small amount. Using tools like expense trackers, robo-advisors, and AI budgeting apps can make managing money less stressful and more rewarding. Stop winging your finances, take control today. Download the free 30-day Financial Fix Challenge. Finance tips, upgrade your money mindset. Your mindset shapes your money. Financial success often begins with small, consistent habits like tracking expenses, setting goals, and reviewing your net worth monthly. Consider incorporating passive income strategies, compound interest calculators, and AI-powered investment tools into your financial plan. These tools can help you identify blind spots and accelerate wealth creation. Are these points enough, or I should add some more? Want your thoughts in the comments section. Found this helpful? Like, share, but don't forget to subscribe to this channel for immediate updates.